Let's say you don't have one, so it is really easy to create one. Just go on clickbank.com and click on create account. So the next thing you want to do is you want to enter all of this information right, because if you don't enter something right, you're probably going to have problems with paying information. Like if you put wrong banking information, they probably are not going to send you money when you earn it or something like that. So you want to make sure everything is done correctly. And also at account information, you want to remember your Clickbank ID, because you're going to need that ID to enter to create your special affiliate link. So you want to also remember that and write that down. So the next thing, when you create Clickbank account, what we need to do is we need to find the right product. So when I say that we need to find the right product, you want to find a product that is going to actually sell. And I'm going to show you guys some of the examples of the bad products and good products. So let's start with some of the bad products. So just a second. So just to see this as an example. So maybe this is not that bad, but let's see this product right here. So this is some random product. It doesn't really have anything special. It is just opt-in. So basically, just to show you guys, this is, first of all, this is a bad product in my opinion. Not a bad product, sorry, it is a bad sales page. It is not actually a bad product. I don't know anything about it, but if you look at it, it is really a bad way to promote your product. So to show you guys that this product doesn't have much traffic, we're going to use similar web to see how many views this page gets. So here you can see you can't even find anything about this website because views are so low. So the traffic is actually very bad. So the most important part when you're searching for a good product, you want to find the good sales page, and you want to make sure that the product is actually good, because if product is bad, you're probably going to get refund, so that is not going to be your best interest. So that is an example of the bad landing page. So let's see some of the ways that we are going to use to actually find good sales pages, good products, and actually products that actually sells. So you can choose here different categories if you're interested in something to promote. Let's say you're interested in, let's say, health and fitness, you would go with health and fitness, that niche. But if you don't know where to get started, just click here and we're going to find some interesting products to promote. So here you can see this is one of the newest products on Clickbank, and I know for the fact that this product is selling like crazy. So people are getting tons and tons of sales. Next thing that you want to see is this average per sale. So this average per sale means how much money you're going to earn on average per sale. So it really already says what it is. So it is $40.20 per sale, which is actually pretty nice number to get per sale. So let's say you get 10 sales, that would be $400. Let's say you get 100 sales, that would be $4,000. So pretty nice. Next thing that we want to look at is this average per sale percentage. So this means on how much money you're going to earn, what percentage of money that comes from revenue, how much money you're going to earn from that, what is your profit. So 70% is your profit. So 70% is actually $40, and this product probably costs around $50 or something like that. I don't even know, I didn't check it. I'm going to check it a little bit later, but the cost of the product is around, let's say, $50, $55, something like that. I can't even calculate percentage right now in my mind, so that doesn't really matter at the moment. So you want to also look at these products that give this average bill. So this means that the product that you see right here has some monthly membership. So that means that when someone buys this product and stay with the product, they need to pay actually some fees to stay with the product. So you're going to earn also commission on that. So that is just free money, and that is why I like to promote products like this. So average appeal percentage is 50%. So on average, in total, people stay with this product and pay around $29 for monthly membership. So here is one of the most important parts when you search for the Clickbank product, and that is this gravity. So gravity, what that actually means. So gravity is some number, let's call it, that shows us how many affiliates just like you and me are earning commissions. So this is a pretty high number. That means many people are promoting this product and many people are getting sales with this product. So I wouldn't promote any product that has gravity below 30 or something like that. So this product has way more than 30, and this is the product that maybe I would promote. So the next thing that we want to check is traffic of the website and also sales page. So let's first check sales page of the website. It takes a few moments, I don't know why. So this product has, I don't really like the text, but it doesn't matter because this Clickbank product is making huge amounts of money. But in my opinion, I don't really like this text right here, this font. So the next thing that we want to see is this sales video. So this is a sales video which is going to talk about the product. It is probably from 30 to 50 minutes video, and it is going to prepare your viewer to buy the product. So the next thing is, here you can see the actual price of the product is $47, and as I said, you're going to earn $40.20 on average per sale. So that is somewhere around 70%. So here you can see that they also have some real reviews. So this is really important for me because for this method, this means a lot, that I'm going to show you guys how you can generate free traffic to this product. So everything is going to make sense, but just stay with me. So this real reviews is something that is very interesting for this product because this is actually the people that really liked the product. So the people that actually gave a review for this product, and they gave 5 stars. As you can see, sometimes they gave 4 stars, but usually they gave 5 stars for this product. So they have a lot of reviews for this product, and that is something that I really like. So they also have a call to action here. So call to action is basically just a button where you can click and buy the. So when you click on call to action, here you can see we are finally on the page. So here you can see the price of the product, $47, and when someone buys the product, you're going to earn a commission on this product because you have recommended this product to your viewer. So I'm going to show you guys, as I said, how to generate free traffic for this product. But before we do that, I want to show you guys something very interesting. So as I said, this website, the previous one that I have shown you guys, is very bad. So I want to show you guys how many website views has this website. So here you can see this website has some crazy amounts of views. So almost 500,000 views per month, which is actually a crazy number. Just imagine how much money this product is making, like millions and millions of dollars per month. So how you can take advantage of the products that get millions and millions of views and create some sales, not actually from your brand and from your free traffic, but actually from the name of this product. So the way to do it is by creating review for the product. So I'm going to show you guys example of review. I'm going to find the product and review it. I already know what product I'm going to review, and I'm going to upload on this YouTube channel so you can see an example of review. It is not going to be the best one, but it is actually going to give information to the customer that wants to see everything about this product. So you want to record a review, so you can do it two ways. You can record a review with your mobile phone, or you can record your review with a screen recorder, which I'm doing right now. So I'm using screen recorder and recording my voice, so you can create that way also review. So there are two ways to do it. So I'm going to also record my screen. I'm not going to use my phone because I don't really like showing up on camera. So the 400 almost 500,000 people per month sees this product. So imagine how many people are going to search for more information about this product before you buy the product. So I always, when I want to buy the product, I want to research about it. I don't want just to jump in and buy the product. So I go and search for some reviews. So the way that we are going to do review is we are going to use this information like reviews from the other people. We are going to read it. We're going to talk about the product, and that is basically it. You don't need actually to buy the product. You want to just do the work of your viewers. So basically just go and read this review of the product. So the product that I'm going to actually do a review on is in my niche, and I'm also going to show you guys which product I'm talking about. So I can't find the product right now. So this is the product that I'm going to do a review on my YouTube channel. So basically it is somewhere around how to get sales with I have never tested this product, but I've heard that it is not a bad one. So I'm going to do exactly a review for this product, and basically it is how to generate some money with Clickbank, how to get sales or something like that, subscribers, and probably email addresses. So something around that. I don't even know what is going to happen. I'm going to see what I'm going to talk about. So probably around I'm going to show the customer some, for example, one of my earnings on Clickbank. I'm going to go with a smaller account. I don't want to show some big accounts because that is going to create suspicious your viewers. So I'm going to show with accounts with a few sales or something like that. So the next thing is you want to upload that video on your YouTube channel. So the most important part when you want to upload the video, for example, you want to do this project, let's say this product right here. So what you want to do is I'm going to give you guys some tips and tricks on how to get views to your YouTube video. So you don't actually need any subscribers, so you can do it with 0 subscribers. So I'm going to show you guys, probably on this product there are some reviews. So here you can see this guy on this product has 5,300 views. So 5,300 views, 503,000 people came to this product and actually wanted to buy it. So let's say 500 people bought the product. So I don't know how many people bought the product, but let's say 10% of the people that watched this video bought the product. That would be around 500 times 40. That would be around $20,000 just from 5,000 views. So you're going to say that that is impossible to make that much money from 5,000 views, but you must keep in mind that this is highly targeted views. So that means that people that are searching for this product, they're highly interested in this product, and they're already they're ready to buy the product. So they want to do a little bit more research about the product. So that is why they are searching for review of the product. If they are probably not interested in the product, they wouldn't search for review. So that is one of the examples of how you can generate free traffic to your YouTube video and earn sales. So everything is for free. You won't have any you don't need any subscribers, you don't need any investment and anything like that. So you can do it right now from scratch. So here are some tips and tricks on how you can get more views to your YouTube video. So the first thing is you want to find the name of the product and at the end put review. So this is an example of good name of the product. So here is the name of the product and review. So you can also put some punchlines like don't buy it before you watch this, or you want to say something like let's say, is this a scam, is this legit, and something like that. You want to give people you want to tickle people a little bit. You want to give them what are they searching for. So they want to see if this product is actually good. They want to see if this product is actually legit. They want to see if they can get a refund maybe if they buy the product. So that is everything that you're going to jump in and give your viewers some of the information about the product and help them buy the product, and that is going to result in earning commission on Clickbank. So guys, that would be it for today's video.